Game-changing new extraction technology. A new copper extraction process technology that produces 99.6% copper flakes in less than an hour, as opposed to 72 hours for electrowinning, without the use of applied electricity. Other advantages include up to a 50% saving in operational costs when compared to conventional leaching, solvent extraction, and electrowinning. Up to 30% saving in mining costs, and increased life of mine by up to 30%. The hydrometallurgical process energy requirements are greatly reduced, thus the process can be operated in areas with no or limited electrical infrastructure. Significant capital expenditure savings are also possible. The upfront dissolution process is very rapid, taking minutes rather than 12 to 48 hours. Dissolution process is selective to desired elements, thus negating the need for a solvent extraction circuit. It dissolves all copper-bearing ores, including the more difficult ones such as sulfites and refractories. It makes use of commonly available reagents. In addition to these advantages, the process technology is also applicable to most metals and selective non-metal processes that can currently be placed in solution, for example gold, silver, and base metals. Although in the developmental stage, the unpublished theory supports the recoveries of metals such as titanium and precious group metals. In addition, the theory indicates that it is possible to dissociate the carbon dioxide molecule using a similar process. The model has been made almost entirely of perspex for transparency reasons. Firstly, the process can be readily observed, and secondly, it does not allow for any hiding places for external energy sources. The process consists of 3 steps: the dissolution vessel, copper recovery vessel, and storage vessel. Firstly, a pre-made solution, also known as a loaded solution, containing the dissolved copper, is poured into the dissolution vessel to a predetermined level. The storage vessel is then filled with water. The loaded solution is decanted into the copper recovery vessel, again to a predetermined level. A solar-driven pump is introduced into the recovery vessel to facilitate the gentle circulation of the loaded solution. The probe rack is then fully submerged into the loaded solution, the probe composition carefully designed to selectively recover pure copper. In this case, the rack is removed to show the instantaneous recovery of pure copper. The process takes approximately 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the probe rack is removed from the recovery vessel. Note the flakes of copper floating on the surface. The excess solution is then allowed to drain back into the recovery vessel. The probe rack is then placed in the storage vessel rather roughly to promote the copper flakes gravitating to the collection basket at the bottom of the vessel. The basket is removed and the copper flakes are clearly visible. Purities of 99.6% copper have been achieved. The final picture shows the bottom of the storage vessel where any remaining copper adhering to the probes have been removed.